How to log into Commonwealth online banking. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to log into your Commonwealth online banking account. So let's get started. First, open any browser on your system. After you open browser, in the source field, search for Commonwealth online banking. After you search for Commonwealth online banking, you will find the official site of Commonwealth. Just like URL will be commbank.com.au. After you find it, tap on that. And from this official sign-in page of Commonwealth, you'll have to tap on Login at the top right. From here, choose for NetBank login. And from here, on the section Login to NetBank, you'll have to provide your client number. After you provide it, on the section password, provide your correct password. After you provide it, tap on the login option over here. After you provide correct credential and tap on login, you'll be able to access your Commonwealth online banking on your device. So this is the easiest and simplest method. As you can also forget your password or login details by tapping in the option I have forgotten my login details, and from there you can easily access your Commonwealth online banking. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.